In this video, we're going to look at sketching tricky complete the squared form quadratics. So here is the equation that I need to draw. So the first thing to do is going to find its turning point. Now that's exactly the same as sort of the simpler complete the square forms. The x-coordinate is the number inside the brackets when you change the sign, and the y-coordinate is the number on its own. So 3, 4. Find the y-intercept. Well, y-intercept x is equal to 0. So let's sub x equals 0 into this equation. So we're going to have 5 brackets 0 minus 3 squared plus 4. Now, BODMAS tells us we must do the things inside the brackets first. So 0 take away 3 is negative 3. Then it says we must do things in brackets. So negative 3 squared is 9, positive 9. Then we multiply, so 5 times 9 is 45. Add the 4 on, we get 49. So our y-intercept is 0, 49. Lastly, we see if it's a happy or sad curve. So if a is greater than 0, then it's a happy curve, and we have 5, which is greater than 0, so we have a curve like this. So to sketch it, what I suggest is that you sketch a curve on first and then fit the turning point, the y-intercept, to it. So we've got our turning point at 3, 4 and our y-intercept at 0, 49. And there is your curve. Here's the second example. So first let's find the turning point. So turning point for this one here is 1. Remember, we changed the sign for the one inside the bracket, but keep the sign for the one on its own. Find the y-intercept, so put in x equals 0. So we're going to have y is equal to negative 2, 0 take away 1 squared minus 1. So we're going to have y is equal to negative 2 times negative 1 squared minus 1. So y is equal to negative 2 times 1 minus 1. And negative 2 times 1 is negative 2. Take away 1 is negative 3. So 0, negative 3. Lastly, if a is greater than 0, have a happy curve. Well, it's negative 2, which is less than 0. So I have a sad curve. So it looks like this here. So let's draw this curve. It's going to look something like that. It crosses the y-axis, a negative number, doesn't seem to, its turning point is at negative y value. So let's label it. I've got 0, negative 3 here, and its turning point is 1, negative 1. Hopefully you'll be able to draw something a little bit neater, but hopefully you get the gist of that.